Right, welcome once again to this lesson. Today we are going to talk about logarithms. So I have some questions here. I want to simplify and to evaluate these logarithms. This is from ZIMSEC paper 1. Questions from ZIMSEC paper 1. So number 1 is saying evaluate number 1 part 1. Evaluate log 1 over 27 base 3. Log 1 over 27 base 3. Whenever you are dealing with logarithm, make sure you apply laws of logarithms. Laws of logarithms we have law number 1, which states that log mn is the same as log m plus log n. Then number 2, log m over n is the same as log m minus log n. Then number 3, log m to the power n is equal to n log m. Then we can also use another properties. We can say number 4, log a base a is equal to 1. Then number 5, log 1 base a is equal to 0. So these are the laws that we want to use to simplify these logarithms. So number 1, we are given log 1 over 27 base 3, log 1 over 27 base 3. This one we can use two methods. First method, we can use laws of logarithms. Second method, we can use theorem of logarithms. Which states that log x base a equals to b. To remove this logarithm, we say x equals to a to the power b. So this is used when solving equations with logarithms. So first method, we can say method number 1. Let's use both methods. Here we can rewrite this as log base 3, 1 over 3 to the power 3. Remember, 27 is the same as 3 to the power 3. Then log base 3, this is 3 to the power negative 3. Using laws of indices. Remember, if we say x to the power negative a is the same as 1 over x to the power a, law number 4 under indices. If we are given 1 over x to the power a, we can rewrite this as x to the power negative a. Now, using law number 3, remember we said log m to the power n is the same as n log m. So we can rewrite this as negative 3 log 3 base 3. But remember we said log a base a is equivalent to 1. Therefore, log 3 base 3 is equal to 1. So we have negative 3 times 1, which is equal to negative 3. That's our solution, right? So by second method now, we can say method number 2, we can say let log, because remember I want to make this one an equation. Let log 1 over 27 base 3 bx. So now we can say 1 over 27 is equal to 3 to the power x. Remember, we are finding the value of x. The value of x is the same as log 1 over 27 base 3. So 1 over 27 equals to 3 to the power x. Therefore, 1 over 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power x. Then 3 to the power minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power x. Therefore, x equals to negative 3. That's the second method. So, since x is negative 3, this logarithm is equal to negative 3. That's for part 1. Then let's move on to part 2. Part 2, we have log 32 divided by log 8. This can be written as don't be tempted to say 8 into 32. It's wrong. We can say log 32. We can use same base. For example, 32 is equivalent to 2 to the power 5, and 8 is equivalent to 2 to the power 3. So you can see the same base here. So it will be 2 to the power 5 over log 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 5 log 2 divided by 3 log 2. Then now we can divide log 2 and log 2. Then we have 5 over 3, which is the same as 1 and 2 over 3. That's how you evaluate this one. Right? So we are done with number 1. Let's move on to number 2. Question 2. Right, question 2, we are given log 2 is equal to 0,3010 and log 3 is equal to 0,4771. So we want to calculate the value of log 6, number 2a. Log 6 can be written as log, using these values, can be written as 3 times 2. 6 is the same as 3 times 2. But using law number 1, log mn is the same as log m minus log m plus log n, which is equal to log 3 plus log 2. And this, so now since log 3 is equivalent to 0.4771, we can substitute 0.4771 for log 3, then plus 0,3010 for log 2. Now we add here 1 plus 0 is 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 7 plus 0, 4 plus 3, 0 plus 0. Therefore, log 6 is the same as 0.7781. Right, now we move on to log 1.5, part B. Log 1.5, it can be written in the form log 3 over 2. 1.5 is the same as 1 and 1 over 2, which is 3 over 2 as an improper fraction. So when using law number 2, when dividing, we subtract. So that will be log 3 minus log 2, which is equal to 0,4771 minus 0,3010. Then we subtract 1 minus 0, 7 minus 1, 7 minus 0, 4 minus 3. Therefore, log 1.5 is the same as 0,1761. Then part C, log square root of 2. Log square root of 2 is the same as log 2 to the power half, right? Then, and this can be written as using law number 3, n log m, which is half log 2, which is equal to half. Log 2 in this case is 0,3010, 0,3010, which is equal to 2 into 0, that's 0, into 3, 1, remainder 1, into 10, 5, into 1, 0, remainder 1, then 5. This is half of 0,3010. So this is how we simplify or evaluate or calculate logarithms. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Same Real. Thank you.